Hi, welcome to Omega Design Corporation. I'm Glenn Siegley, President of Omega. For over 40 years, Omega has been producing world-class packaging automation solutions, primarily for the pharmaceutical, personal care, and cosmetic industries. On the wall are over 20,000 containers representing over 3,000 machines sold to our customers. And in the rafters are over 45 flags representing countries where we've installed our machines throughout the globe from our facility here in Exton, Pennsylvania. For the last 8 years, we have partnered with Systech to deploy world-class material handling integrated with Systech's market-leading solutions to meet the emerging global initiatives to protect the pharmaceutical supply chain. We've installed a variety of unit serialization and aggregation modules to meet specific customer floor plan and corporate and plant level specifications. Omega is proud to be part of Systech's new revolutionary UniSolve solution for delivering rapid deployment, pre-configured serialization modules in as little as 8 weeks. Behind me is just one example of a complete serialization cell featuring our IntelliCode for unit carton serialization and IntelliPack for carton to case aggregation, and beyond that, a pallet aggregation station. This can be used either as a standalone unit for a serialization cell, it can be used integrated for a dedicated packaging line, or due to its mobility, it can be used between packaging suites.
Cartons are brought into the machine on a conveyor where they're back to back. Then a second conveyor, a vacuum conveyor, pulls that carton down onto the vacuum and spaces it apart from the upstream cartons. The first step is to laser the cartons. So the laser prints this information that's seen here. This is a monitor of the Systech camera, which is actually inspecting that information. The next step would be a reject, and at Omega we assume everything is a reject until we get that pass signal from Systech. So assuming that it passes, we let it go downstream, otherwise we would blow it off into the reject bin. Our next machine is our IntelliPack station for manually packing serialization. The operator places the case into a case former, which forms the bottom flaps, brings it into position for labeling and loading. A case label is applied and then inspected, and if that case label passes, the operator can continue to load the case. An overhead camera is constantly looking into the case to read the codes on the cartons that were printed at the IntelliCode machine earlier. When the operator fills that case, he verifies on the monitor that the camera accepts everything that's inside the case. The operator presses a button to confirm that that case is complete, and then the taper belts are turned on, the lights go off, signaling the operator to put the case through the taper where it's bottom taped and top taped.
Many of the UniSolve modules feature Omega's IntelliCode modules for carton serialization, label sync modules for unique bottle code synchronization for the highest integrity bottle aggregation, and our manual and semi-automatic IntelliPack modules that provide the highest integrity aggregation and superior OEE. And of course, you will receive one integrated manual, integrated single validation documents, and our combined FAT that streamlines your site integration and validation process. If you need rapid deployment of either partial or complete serialization solutions, turn to Systech's UniSolve family of pre-configured modules. However, if you need a more customized solution to meet either plant or corporate specifications or plant layout, count on Omega and Systech to partner with you to create exactly the solution you need. Rely on Omega and Systech to protect your brand, your bottom line, and most importantly, your customer.